Okay, so I'm going to do this rectangle at the front. Scale factor is 2. All lengths are doubling. And to find the starting point, I'm going to choose this point that's on the shape. I take the distance from B, and it's from B down 2. Scale factor, double all instructions. So instead of down 2, I'm going to do down 4. 2, 4. And that's counting big squares. Sometimes use the big squares, sometimes use the little squares. Make sure you're using the same units each time. Then as I work my way around the shape, follow the instructions and double them. So this said go down 1 big square, I need to go down 2 big squares. Coming across to the left, left 2 squares becomes scale factor 2, left 4 squares. Up 1 big square becomes up 2 big squares, and right 2 big squares is right 4 big squares. That's my rectangle in the correct place for it. We have no halvings on this, but if I take the shape in E is a scale factor of -2. That means I do each instruction twice as big, but in the opposite direction. So to find my starting point, choose the nearest point to the enlargement, to the centre, which is the top left-hand corner. That was right 1, down 1 on the small squares. So to find my correct point, I'm going to go left 2, up 2. Because it's a scale factor of minus is opposite direction, 2 twice as much. Then from this one, I'm going across 3 small squares to the right. Minus says reverse it, so I'm going left. 3 small squares, double it, becomes 6 small squares. 2, 4, 6. I'm going down 1 big square, reverse it, up 1 square becomes 2 big squares. I'm in this corner now, so I've done that side and that side, which is opposite direction twice as big, opposite direction twice as big. So coming left 3 small squares becomes right 6 squares. Double and reverse. Up 1 big square or 2 small squares, double it and reverse it. Down 2 big squares or 4 small squares. That's how I've done that shape at the bottom. If I was to connect the image to its original point, with the negatives it's always a bit of a mess doing that because you might lose which track of the image and the original point, but they should all cross through the point E. Okay?